Welcome to my class. Let us see together the human gas exchange system. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to know the importance of respiratory system and where gases exchange take place. As you see, when we are feeling the nature, our respiratory system is responsible for bringing air into the body, from which we can get oxygen. We shall see the use of oxygen later. We need oxygen in our everyday life. We shall see. It also moves air back out of the body. The exhaled air contains more of our waste gas. There's those gas which is what is called carbon dioxide. When we breathe out, we are taking out carbon dioxide. Then the matter is, how do we get oxygen from the air to our body cells and get carbon dioxide out? Let's see how do we get oxygen. Let us follow the journey of a breath of air, starting with the moment you inhale or the moment you breathe. When you take in air or when you breathe, air enters the body through the nose and the mouth, where it is filtered and warmed. I tried to show some part of the respiratory system on the figure that is left side. You can see air then passes through the trachea and the two primary bronchi. These structures are held open by the rings of cartilage. Trachea and the primary bronchi I showed on the finger. Each bronchus then branches many times into bronchus, terminating at the air-filled sacs called alveoli. Bronchus and alveoli, I tried to show it in the finger that you are seeing at left side. Then oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged at the alveoli. The process involved in the exchange of those gases is called diffusion. That is a place where gases exchange take place in the alveoli. That is a small sacs. The alveoli are like a sacs, as you see on the finger. Then, how does diffusion occur? Let's see how does diffusion occur. Carbon dioxide, a waste gas, moves from the blood into the alveoli to be exhaled. Meaning carbon dioxide moves from the blood into alveoli where to be given out. Then oxygen moves from inside the alveoli across the walls and into the blood. Also, the oxygen moves into the blood. Then the oxygen is used for respiratory or respiration by the body cells. Also, oxygen used by in movement. Yes, also without oxygen our body cannot metabolize. I tried to show the adaptation of alveoli. How are the alveoli adapted for their function or for gas exchange? That is adaptation. The features of alveoli that allowed it to perform its function. Let's see some recap. Human respiratory system move fresh air into the body while moving waste gases. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged at the alveoli. we have seen also the adaptation of alveoli, that is the sources